We conclude when we end with a thought or decision, but we complete when we finish doing something. Number one, we finally blank the meeting. Should we say completed or concluded? Well, a meeting doesn't really have parts to finish, right? It ends with people making a final decision or summary. So the correct word is concluded. The sentence means the meeting came to an official end. Let's reread. We finally concluded the meeting. Nicely done. Number two, she blanked her homework today. Alright, what makes sense here? Homework has tasks to finish. So she's doing writing, checking answers. That's definitely complete, not conclude. It means she finished all her homework. So she completed her homework today. Number three, the judge will blank the case. Interesting one. A judge doesn't finish a case like homework. They end it with a decision. That's why we say the judge will conclude the case. It means the judge will bring it to an official end by giving the final judgment. So, the judge will conclude the case. Great job. Number four, he blanked the project this week. Okay, a project usually has stages, tasks, or parts, right? So we are talking about finishing all the work. So that's complete, not conclude. He completed the project this week. Nice. Project done. Someone deserves a coffee break. So, to wrap things up, conclude is for ending something with a decision, while complete is for finishing all the parts. Remember that simple difference and you will sound supernatural. I'm Nelson, a real person who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. And remember, don't conclude your day until you complete your English practice. I'll see you next time. Bye.